Studios are using AI to ship faster and smarter. Today I'll show you what's real, what's hype, and how it changes gaming. We'll cover three big shifts: faster development, NPCs that respond like teammates, and worlds that rebuild themselves in real time. Surveys show most game teams already use AI for everything from testing to creative tasks. On PC, more new releases disclose Gen AI use, with visual assets leading the charge. For content drafting, tools like Ubisoft's Ghostwriter write NPC barks, freeing writers for story polish. In-engine assistants speed up asset tagging, prototyping, and code suggestions. And for testing, AI agents simulate players to catch exploits earlier. NVIDIA's ACE stack creates co-playable characters that plan and react. It ties speech, animation, and reasoning to the game state, creating true AI squad mates that can drive, loot, and call plays. Meanwhile, Inworld AI is partnering with developers on controllable personalities, memories, and production guardrails. Studios are experimenting with runtime generation, creating layouts, events, and quests that assemble to fit your playstyle. With neural rendering and toolchain updates, worlds rebuild faster while staying performant. Studios say AI cuts prototyping and QA, but humans still direct tone. Writers' tools are assistive, not replacements. On Steam, disclosure tags are rising, but so are ethical concerns. Excited, smarter companions, fewer fetch quests, and dynamic playthroughs. Worried, but also samey art and shallow quests. The fix is clear labeling and human direction. AI won't make great games, but it will boost creativity for smarter NPCs and worlds. What would you trust an AI teammate to do? Comment below and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips, reviews, and breakdowns every week. Got questions or something you want us to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay updated, and keep exploring the future of AI tech and science.